Retinitis pigmentosa is a disorder in which one's field of vision slowly becomes less broad.
In most cases, patients end up becoming blind after severe symptoms.
This genetic disorder affects 1 in 3,700 people, making it one of the most common forms of inherited retinal degenerative conditions.
It affects the peripheral retina first, which is the outer retina, and progressively moves towards the center.
RP is located on chromosome 17. It is not a polygenic trait.
In most cases, the disorder is linked to a recessive gene, a gene that must be inherited from both parents in order to cause the disease. But dominant genes and genes on the X chromosome also have been linked to retinitis pigmentosa. In these cases, only one parent has passed the disease gene. In some cases, a new mutation causes the disease to occur in a person who does not have a family history of the disease. The disorder also can show up as part of other syndromes, such as Basin-Kornzweig disease or Kern-Serre.
Hey, again. As the disease progresses, rod cells degenerate, causing night blindness and peripheral vision. Symptoms in RP are often caused in children and young adults.
Exams and tests can be performed to see if one may have the disorder. To evaluate the retina, doctors can test color vision, examine the retina by ophthalmoscopy after the pupils have been dilated, fluorescent angiography, intraocular pressure, measurement of the electrical activity in the retina, pupil flex response, or a side vision test.
Several clinical trials are in progress to investigate new treatments for retinitis pigmentosa.
Retinitis pigmentosa was first diagnosed by Dr. F.C. Bonders, and it was documented in a medical journal called RP by John Hecken Lively in 1855.
Okay, I'll just keep going. Now we're going to have someone with the actual disorder, retinitis pigmentosa, come and visit our studio so we can introduce them and interview them so you can really see what it's like to have retinitis pigmentosa and what it would be like to live with it. Carol, when you're ready. Here she comes now. Down the stairs, here she comes. She's going to have to keep her eyes closed because she couldn't find her protective glasses that help protect her eyes from sunlight. Just go with your heart. Okay, so, Carol, tell us, what is it like to live with retinitis pigmentosa?
Well,
What are you most scared about?
I'm mostly scared that I won't get to share the new advances in the future, as well as the people around me will.
What's been the hardest transition to overcome?
Every time at night, I'm worried because I can't see as well, and I wish I could just be a normal teenager and drive at night without my parents being worried. I haven't had the disease that long, so I can still drive at night, as long as there is still lights, which is another thing I am soaking up while I can.
Well, thank you for your time, Miss Smith. You really moved me.
The pupils have been dilated. Fluorescent angiography. Ow! That didn't even hurt me.
What did I hit?
The wall.
Hi, my name is Carol, and I'm suffering from retinitis.
Get out of the camera now!